We will guide you through how to make pixel blur in Canva. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, right-click the icon to display the available options. Click Open to launch the browser. Next, click the address bar at the top of the browser, type Canva, and press Enter on your keyboard to begin the search. When the search results appear, select the top option, canva.com. From the homepage, select Upload Media, then click Upload Files to add the image or file that you want to edit. Browse through your computer storage, locate the prepared file, and double-click it to upload it to Canva. After the file has been uploaded, select Use Custom Size to set up the design according to your preferred dimensions. Then, click the Create New Design button to open the editing workspace and begin working on your image. To add the pixel blur effect, carefully follow the next steps in the correct order. First, look at the menu located on the left side of the screen, where several editing tools and options are available. Open the Apps menu from the list of options to access additional Canva features. Click the search bar inside the Apps menu, type Frame Blur, and press Enter on your keyboard to start the search. When the results appear, select and open the Frame Blur app. Next, click your uploaded image and choose Edit Image to display the available editing effects. Look through the blur options and find the Pixelate Blur effect. Adjust the brush size, brush fade, and intensity settings until they match the appearance you want. Carefully brush over the selected areas of your image to apply the pixel blur effect. Your pixel blur effect is now complete, and you have successfully learned how to create pixel blur in Canva.